Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a very exciting unboxing video to share with you guys. Just 10 minutes ago, my doorbell rang and I got a package from FedEx. I was not expecting anything, so I looked at the outside and took a look at the invoice that was taped to the box, opened it up, and realized, oh my goodness, I was literally just looking at these. This was sent to me by Reate. We have not one, but 4 amazing knives to take a look at today. I have not opened these up yet. I know what they are, but I haven't opened them up. I am very excited to check these out and share them with you guys. I'm also going to try and link them right down below. I don't know exactly where they're going to be available. I know that Crane's Cutlery did a special exclusive version of this. They're probably going to be available at a lot of the main retailers, but wherever they are, I will try to link them. Thanks so much to Reate for sending these in for me to take a look at. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's get the plastic off of these because I do want to open these in order, or in the order that I want to. So this is the Tiger. And wow, what serial number? These are, they must have sent me they sent me one that was a very low serial number there, number 7. And then, okay, there's one that I'm looking for. Is it? Yeah, it's that one. So we're going to open the rest of these, but I want to open this one first. So this is called the Tiger, and this is number 15 as well. It's also a very low serial number. I'm not sure if that really matters. If you're new to the knife world and you're like, does that matter? Sometimes. I'm not sure in this case. It's always neat. It's always nice to get a low serial number, right? Wow. So the knife in this pouch. Oh boy, and it is a big boy too. I really, as soon as I found it, somebody messaged me on Instagram just the other day and said, have you heard of the Reate Tiger? It seems like it might be right up your alley because it's kind of a big boy. And I got to looking at it, I was like, yeah, that does look cool. And then I saw that they did a version in diamond textured titanium. Oh, I have to say, so far, I am a big fan of this. Golly, it's cold. Look at that backspacer. Holy cow. Let's flip it. Oh, man. Yeah, that's a looker there. That's real. Oh, no way! Nested liner lock. I'm a huge fan. Okay. So right off the bat, it's everything Reate that you'd want. On top of that, this does not have the typical Reate tight action out of the box. This has fall shut action. We have a beautiful compound recurve clip point. Compound recurve Tanto clip point. Oh man, wild, beautiful satin finish. Pivot collar there, not sure what it's made out of. It could be, surely it's not zirconium. Yeah, there's a little thing in here. Alvin Lee is the designer. Tiger M390 diamond pattern, doesn't say anything else. That's cool though. Very cool that it comes with a little dealy there. But yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. And I think this is made, all the more better by the fact that it's not an exposed frame lock. It's a pretty hefty liner lock. Is it titanium? I know you guys are like, please shut your big dumb face, Complex, and open the rest of the boxes. I will. Hold on. It's a steel liner lock, but that's okay. I don't really care as long as it has a steel. The liner lock itself is steel, or it has a lock bar insert, and you can see there it's just the steel, which is perfectly fine. Now I don't know what these run. I had not actually looked up the price, but I can tell you the diamond texturing, or maybe you refer to this as knurling, right, is nice and tiny, which is very good. Little faux bolster situation there, huge backspacer, and they are contoured, which is gorgeous. Kind of a gigantic clip. Probably could have shortened that up a little bit, but realistically, and this is based on his custom, because I did see there's a custom. The custom that this knife is based on is on Crane's Cutlery right now for about $7,000. No, you did not hear me incorrectly. That's actually true. All right, let's open up the next one. So we got, that says striped. Yeah, let's do striped. I'm curious. or what that one looks for. Now, I don't know what Reate wants me to do with these, right? So for people saying, do you just get to keep all those? Sometimes they want them back. Sometimes they want me to give them away. I just need to talk with Reate, right? But this next one here is going to be, it said flamed. Well, does that mean does that mean lines? Let me read that word again. Stripe pattern. Okay, I just did. I said flamed, and that wasn't what it said. So this is a striped pattern, which is also actually pretty appealing. Let me get this out. These are not taped down. They're actually like, I have to cut it open. So okay, that also looks very good. I like the black pivot collar. Does this one feel the same? Feels identical. Really nice detail on that. Nice pin, I guess pinstripe milling pattern on the titanium. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Still like the diamond textured one the most. Now we have two, I believe, with carbon fiber. Fat carbon lava flow is what we're seeing here. Let's get that one out and take a look. Absolutely super cool. Happy to see a nice large design. It's not too big. And by the way, what do these measure at? We're in the middle of the video. Let's go ahead and do it. 8.5 inches with a 3.75 inch blade. So big, not Monster XL, right? That's good. I think this is a sweet spot that's not often hit with, ooh, does that have a, I think that's got a, at least a Timascus, possibly Zircotite pivot collar there. What we got? Let's take a look. Yeah, lava flow carbon fiber. And that's a Zircotite pivot collar right there. That's what that is. Gorgeous. Okay. Very cool. How's the action on this guy? A little tighter. That one's a little tighter. It's okay. Some variation is normal. And then finally, so what's this one? So this last one is fat carbon black. Okay. This one potentially going to be the best looking one, at least for some people. Oh, what a mess. Glad you guys can't see all the packaging off to the side. I'm just throwing it. The final one here. Oh boy, I think so. Wow. And it has the Zircotite pivot collar. Oh boy. Look at that. That is beautiful. Between these two, I don't know, man. I mean, I'm a sucker for full tie, and they really don't feel that much different in weight. But I also love this fat carbon, and I love that Zircotite pivot collar. God, that is just gorgeous. Man, I love that these are nested, dual wielding. You guys know you would do this too. Come on. Don't you dare make fun of me. Huh? I got 4 of the same knife on my... Of course I got a dual wield. Everyone's like, don't touch the blades. Don't touch the blades together. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Look at that blade. Holy moly. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is not a review. This is not a review. This is an unboxing and first impressions. Literally, all I knew about this knife before they sent it in was that it exists. I don't know what it costs yet. I'll provide links down in the description so you guys can check that out. After I've had a chance to actually carry the knife, not just unbox it, turn it over. Let's be honest, that would be an awful review. You're going to trust somebody who does that? No. Let me get a chance to carry it, use it, experience it for a bit, learn about it, learn about the designer, etc. I'll give you guys a full comprehensive review. If you don't need to wait on me for that, you're like, hey, Complex, I'm familiar with Reate, I don't need to wait for all that bullcrap, then that's fine. I'll link it in the description, right? Just understand, if you're new to my channel, this is not how I do reviews. But, you know, people only watch the first 2 minutes of the video, so that's where they conclude. So anyways, these are awesome. Thank you so much to Reate for sending these in. Please communicate with me again. If we already had a conversation about these, I can't remember. Let me know what you want me to do with these afterwards. I'm more than happy to do whatever I need to do, but I will absolutely review these. So anyways, Thanks again to Reate. Please, can't find my card. It's underneath all the garbage, so I'll put the old one up here. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.